How to connect Canva to your Wix website quickly and easily. This is a great way to display your Canva designs, like presentations, videos, or graphics, directly on your Wix page. First, go to your Wix website editor and open the page where you want to add your Canva design. On the left-hand side, click Add Elements. Then scroll down and select Embed Code. After that, click Embed HTML. You'll see a small box appear on your page. This is where you'll place your Canva embed code. Next, go to Canva, open the design you want to embed, and click Share. From the options, choose More, then select Embed. Copy the HTML embed code Canva gives you. Go back to Wix, paste that code into the HTML box, and then click Apply. Your Canva design will instantly appear on your Wix website. You can resize it, move it around, and customize your layout to make it fit perfectly. And that's it. You've successfully connected Canva to your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching.